All right, guys, quick video on how to do 7 figures online. I've got my assistant here. He is going to illustrate rather than me illustrating how you can achieve this. All right, the name of the game, and I don't want this to be confused, is there are 2 different types of people. All right, and this is something that a lot of people don't talk about. Some people are creative, and some people are not creative. All right, the people who are not creative, it's all right. They're just using the left side of their brain, you know, which is not logic and mathematics. Make great business people, right? And the creative side of the people, you might have heard, they're starving artists, they're guitarists, they're musicians, right? Well, what about taking that and putting it together? With me, I was like a high school dropout type of guitarist, drummer type of kid, right? And what happened was I was like, yeah, I want to create a site called like Napster, right, where I'm selling my beats. And so that was all I had to go by back in 2004. So I created this Beats website called Beats 365, right? And so it was a package deal. Buy all my beats for 30 bucks. It exploded, right? Now, when you're into this type of business model, like a non-exclusive business model, you're like, wow, I got a little money machine there. I got a lot of free time. Oh, I'll do another one. And so I did a relaxing music downloads one. I did stock music. I did, you know, you probably heard the story. I talk about the story all the time. The reason I'm telling you this is, you know, after about 2 years, I had like 20 of these sites that were either selling music or something. Then I got into like selling databases with links where it wasn't even, you know, it was like it got easier and easier where I was like looking at the competition and they weren't working as hard as I was. They were selling something that was much easier to put together. Then that's what it became so ironic because I was seeing people that are doing $1 million launches and they weren't doing anything. The money would come in and then they're sitting back while everyone else is fulfilling the orders, right? It was like that. So anyway, why I am telling you this is, and thank you for the drawings, but the reason I'm telling you this is that those first 3 years, they were kind of difficult. But after that, I was able to kind of, all right, I learned what not to do. That's the issue, is what not to do. Don't make these mistakes that I made in the first 3 years. You can achieve these types of things faster and do $15 million in sales. With that being said, below this video, or somewhere around this video, I don't know quite yet, there's a link where you can click on that link and come to my webinar, and you'll learn how to take a photo of an eggplant, upload it, and it's going to sell over and over again for $12. I promise I will show you how to do that. And if not, in that webinar I have an email that you can email me and yell at me. Okay? Straight up. That's the deal I make with everyone. If you are not blown away and you're just like, oh my God, you changed my life, you can email me and yell at me. And I will respond. If I don't respond in the comments of this video, you can yell at me too. Alright? So that's the deal I like to make. But you're not going to yell at me. You're going to love it. You're going to learn so much. There's so many gold mines that you're like, oh my God. Just write them down. Write down the notes. You know what I mean? And let's change America. All right? So this is Jamie Lewis. Thank you for watching. Yeah, it's like that. All right? So let's do this. All right? Get into the webinar, man. You're going to love it. You're going to love what I got to show you about how to package your stuff or package your neighbor's stuff. You know, I mean, have you ever heard of doing that? I did that with my football coach, with the kids' football coach. True story. Yeah. All right. Well, let's make some money together. All right. Thanks very much, guys, and I'll see you soon.